Hello dear students, and once again welcome back to this online class video. This is the second part of the chapter 5th, The Way the World Looks, of class 4 subject mathematics. And before starting the video, I request to all viewers to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I am Jaiprakash. Let's start the class. At first, let's have an overview of today's class, that what topics we will cover today. So in this class, I have taken only two topics. So the first one is side view and top view, and the second is the park behind Gappu's house. Now let's have a reading. These are two different views of the same bowls. In picture 1, in picture 2, you can see the bowls are same but their views are different. So in picture 1 you have their top views, and in picture 2 you have their bottom views. Okay, you can see it's upside down. Now in which photo are the bowls upside down? Yes, in picture 2 it is upside down. And now look at the side view in photo 3rd to find the answer. So here you have side views of the bowls. And now another question, draw lines to match the side view with the top view. So here you have to watch first that which type of picture you have. So first you have a pipe and second you have a funnel. So you have to classify that which may be the side view of a pipe and of a funnel. So here you can see that these two are looking like a funnel, okay, and these two are pipe. So you can say that this is the side view and this is the top view of a pipe, and this is a top view of a funnel, and this is side view of a funnel. Now another question is here, try to draw pictures of a shoe from the side, top and front view. Attraction. Yes, it is very interesting because it is related to your drawing and you all like drawing. So let me help you. Here you have the side view, front view, top view, and also one more side view which is a little slant of the shoe. So you can draw it in your notebook. Now come to the topic. In the next page we have the second topic, which is park behind Gappu's house. So let's reading. Do you remember the park behind Gappu's house? Yes, we remember. In the part 1 we have seen that, and here is a bigger picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. So before answering the questions, let's have a proper observation of the picture. So here we have a sweet shop, here we have a basketball court, here we have a green bench, here we have shisha, a flower bed is here, yellow benches are here, and gate A, B, C and D are here, and Gappu's house is here. So we have proper observed this picture. Now come to the question. Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop A, B, C or D. So let's find the sweet shop first. So here we have the sweet shop, and you can see here we have gate A and here we have gate B. So which is looking near? Tell me. Yes, gate A is nearest. Okay, so you can tick on A. Now come to the second question. Which gate is nearest to the Gappu's house? So first we have to check Gappu's house. So this is Gappu's house, and here is gate C, D and B. So which is looking nearest? Yes, no doubt, gate C is nearest to Gappu's house. Next question. If you enter from gate B, okay, this is gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right or front side. So if you will enter from gate B, so it will be your direction. Okay, so this is your face side, this is your left and this is your right. So now you will tell me the green bench which is here is on your which side, left or right or front? Yes, this is on your left side, so you can tick on the left. Now next question. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right side. Which gate did she enter from? Okay, so to answer this question, first you have to find the flower bed. Okay, then we will check that the flower bed is on her right side or not, then we can answer. So come to the picture. So first find the flower bed. So here you can see the flower bed. Okay, nice. Now you have two gate which is near to this flower bed. So first one is gate A. So let's enter from gate A. Okay, suppose that we are entering from this one. So it will be your face side. This is your left and this is your right. So you can see that the flower bed is on the left side if we enter from gate A. And now let's enter from gate D. Okay, so it will be your direction. It is your right side and it will be your left side. So you can see that when you enter from gate D, so the flower bed is exactly on the right side. So we can say that Suhasini entered from the gate D. Very nice. Now next question, which of these is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? Okay, now it's time to enter from the gate C. So first is basketball court, flower bed, green bench and seesaw. So let's check it. Where is gate C? So you can see here is the gate C. And you can see when you enter, so the seesaw is very close, very near to you. So the answer will be seesaw. Okay, and now before stop this class, one more thing I want to tell you that is related to direction test. So okay, so suppose that the sun is here. Okay, here is the sun and you are stand here. Clear? Okay, let's take it here once again. You are enter here. This is your face side and this is the sun. Clear? So in the morning side, when the sun rise from the east, okay, you will face to the sun. Now you will check which is your east, west, north and side direction. Ready to it? Okay. Now as I told you, in the morning time when you will face to the sun, so it will be your east side. Okay, and your back side will be your west direction, east, west. Now your left hand, this is your left side, it will be your north, and the right hand will show to the south direction. Now did you understand the direction, my dear students? Try it in the morning. You can definitely sure with the directions. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next video, my dear student. Till then, stay at home and be healthy. Bye bye.